Welcome to the basic overview of Album Sense CC. Before to start the Album Sense CC demo, I am just giving you the basic information of Album Sense CC. Album Sense CC, it's an artificial intelligent wedding album designing software. You can download it from our website albumsense.com. After the download this software, you can install in any drive. You can install it in D drive, E drive, F drive. It is not compulsory to install this software in a C drive. After the installation, you just have to register this software. Company will give you a two variant. There are two versions of Album Sense CC. One is the serial key version and second one is the dongle based version. When you purchase a dongle based version, company will provide you a dongle and a physical pen drive. If you purchase a serial key version, company will give you a download link and a serial key with your email ID. After the installation, when you want to start the album designing, just go to the file menu, click on a new album project. When you click on this, a basic form will be appear where you just have to click a project name, its save path, album category, album size. Album Sense CC comes with the different 33 kind of sizes. So you can select any of them. Here are the three different designing category from which you want to create a design. Here we are selecting one category. These are the volumes which are available with that category. You can select all volume and you can select a selected volume also. Here we have selected a single volume. In photo path, click, the browser will be open from where you can select a main photo folder. Here we have select one folder. We can select more photo folder also here. And if you don't require this folder, you can select and delete it also. Now click on OK. Your project, it's ready to create an album. This is the bottom gallery of a software. The software is divided in the 5 different parts. Left side is the toolbox, bottom gallery, right side is the layer window, upper side is the menu bar, and this is the upper ribbon where are the sub menu and automatic album designing buttons and another 3 tools of correction room, effect room and cutting room are there. Now we are going to create an album page. To create an album page, we just have to select some photographs. Here we had selected a 6 photograph. It's not required to maintain the horizontal or vertical numbers. You can select any number of horizontal and any number of vertical. But designs will be available between the 2 photographs to the 12 photographs. Now click on auto page. The automatic album page become ready. If we don't like this, we can change the design with the auto page button. Auto page button will give us the another layout. If we want to change the designer theme, we can click on the DG theme. Here we can change the designing volume also. We had changed the volume and click OK. Again we click on the auto page. It gives us the different layout and different design. If we want to make a design with the facility of template, we are clicking on the template button. It shows us the different layout with the appropriate photographs. We had selected 6 photographs, so it shows us the layout with the 6 photographs. We can click on any selected layout. So our pages will be attached with that layout. Now our design become ready. If we want to change the background, we just go in the background gallery. Here are the default gallery already loaded. If we want to change the gallery or if we want to load our own background, we can select background folder from here. We are changing the background with the double click. The background have been changed. Then if we want to change the position of photograph, we can swap that. We just select the photograph. The photograph will appear with the green handle. It shows us the photographs are merged with the or linked with the mask. So first of all, we just click on that. So it will be unlinked with the mask. Then we select the another photograph. Again click on that. It will also unlink with the mask. Now we click on the shift button and select both photographs. Now we click on swap photo. So photograph will be swapped. Then if we want to compose that, so when the blue handles will show, you can compose the photo inside the mask. If you want to compose with the mask, just double click on that. The handles will be converted in the green color and the photo will be linked with the mask. So you can compose with mask. Like this, we can create our own design and we can edit also. After that, there are so many galleries are available to edit mask, photo box, shapes, clip arts, brush preset, stroke, lighting effects and color effects. We can use any of this. If we want to save this page, just go to the file menu and save PSD. It will be saved in the two format, JPG as well as PSD. Now we are seeing the third method of automatic album design. It is batch. We don't want to save this design. When we click on batch process, the batch window will be appear. It shows us the same folder which we had selected at the creation of project. There are two options. One is the custom batch and second one is the fixed batch. In custom batch, we can select photographs with the each album page separately and click on the quick create. So album page will be create here and it shows as the raw album page. If we want to work with the fixed batch, just click on the fixed batch. So how many photos we want to put in each page, we can select here. If we want to put 8 photographs, so it will create 14 album pages. And if we create with the 10 numbers of photographs, it make 12 album page. Like this, we can make whole album in a single click. We are closing this. Now we'll see how we can create a manual album design. If we don't want to use the automation of software, we can create an album page in manual also. Go to the file menu and click on the new image. Here we can select the size, select the DPI and select the background color and click OK. The blank album page will appear. First of all, we are just putting a background. Just double click from the background gallery. Here we had attached the background. Now we are making design with our own taste. We can drag a photograph from the photo gallery. Then if we want to put three photographs with the particular design, we have sequence template or multi-box facility here. We select the multi-box. It will give us the layouts of three photographs. Here we had selected this layout. We want to put our three photographs here. Just select the space and adjust it and click on the insert photos. Our three photographs are attached here. Now we want to put two photographs. To make same size, just select the photographs and go to the edit menu and click on make same size. So the both photographs become same size. We just give them a stroke. We can edit the stroke from here. Like this, our manual album page is ready. If we want to give some feather, just select the photograph and go to the instant feather. There are ready presets of feather are available. We can select that and adjust it as per our requirement. We can save this. Now we create one page with the automation. We had select some photographs and click on the auto page button. If we want to put a cutout here or here, we are just deleting these photographs. And go to the cut cells. We have roughly select the image. There are three options to select the object with the appropriate selection. If we select the image with the rectangle marquee, we just click on this. If we select the image with polygonal lasso from outside of the image, we select this option. And if we select the image with the polygonal lasso from the inside of the image, we select this option. Here we had selected the image from the outside of the object. So we click on this. It will rectify our selection. It has done. Now we just click on invert cutting. The background have been cut. Now some portion is also cut from the image. If we want to recover that area, just select the restore brush and just paint on that object. We had recovered that. Now if we want to smooth the edges of a cutout, just go to the refine edge option. There is smoothness 1, feather 1. Now we are clicking on apply. It will smooth the edge of cutout. Click OK. our cutout have been came with the mask. Now we are deleting original image and set our cut image here. Now if we want to put the feather at the bottom side of the image, just go to the instant feather and select the feather of the bottom side. Our design have been ready. We can save it. So like this, you can create an album with the automation and manual thing, both method. There are easy correction method also here. All type of corrections are available here. It gives us the automatic correction on a single image. It gives us the automatic correction in a batch also. Easy cutting is there. So now just go to the website and download the trial version to experience the software. Thank you very much.